Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time an unboxing. I'm just trying to take the address label off. But yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, so I have done a couple unboxings already tonight, but I think this is probably the most exciting, or the one that I'm most excited about. And I have had it for a full day already, and I have not opened it. You guys can see that the tape is still on here. Oh, and I also have this package that goes with it that I ordered from Amazon. So let me go ahead and go straight into it. So I'm just gonna open up the tape. Ooh, look at that! You guys know what this box is from by just the colors. So let me. How am I gonna do this? Let me do it like this. Let me turn it around. It is. You guys can see, so that is a yellow S Pen, and let me show you guys if you guys can see. It is the Samsung Galaxy S9, which is a cell phone. Let me see, so it slides out. So I have not ever done an unboxing of a cell phone, and this channel is not really tech, but I do enjoy technology, and so I decided that I'll include this as an unboxing video. Let me go ahead and open it up with you guys. Make sure that the phone does not fall out. Here is the inside. Let me take this out. I guess this is all the paperwork and whatnot, and there is the phone. And this phone is in, I forget what color this is, but it is a blue color. There is also a purpley lavender color, but I wanted the blue one. And let me show you the S Pen. So it comes with a yellow S Pen, and I will set it up and start using it. So I have currently this phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and I have had this phone for about a year now. But when this phone came out, I decided to get it because I also have, let me wipe this one off. This one's an older version, so this is a Note 4. And so let me show you guys these phones all side by side. Alright, so I have the Note 4, which is the first Note phone that I got, and before this I was a faithful iPhone user, but ever since I got this phone, I am never going back to iPhone. Then I have so in the middle here, this is the Note 8, and here is the Note 9. And the biggest difference between these phones, let me take this one out of its case, is you can see that the Note 4 is wider. You can see, so this is my Note 8. It's wider, and the Note 8 is also taller. Now the Note 9, they are very similar. You guys can see in the height and in, it's really hard to show, but in the width also, they are almost identical. The front is basically identical, but where they differ is on the back. So you guys can see that the fingerprint reader, which I actually never use on this one, the fingerprint reader is right here on the Note 8, and on the Note 9 the fingerprint reader is down here. Now, as far as why I thought I wanted to go ahead and go get this phone, so one reason is that I did a pre-order, and for pre-orders I was able to use this phone as a trade-in phone, and I got $250 credit for this phone, and so I will be sending this off to T-Mobile to give me that credit. And I don't use this phone anymore. I had used this originally as a backup phone for if my Note 8 ever, died or I lost it. I always had a backup phone to be able to use. But now that I got this phone, so this phone is going to be my backup phone. So the reason why I got this phone, reason number 2, is that the S Pen has Bluetooth in it, and so I could hopefully try to do more OOTDs, which are outfit of the days, and so I could basically control my camera on this phone with this little button right here, which I could not do with my Note 8. And so with my Note 8 I always had to extend my arm as far as I could go and click the button. But with this one I could use this Bluetooth pen to be able to control this phone. Along with other specs on this phone, the battery is I would say significantly larger than this battery on this phone, and so this phone is the successor of the Note 7, and you guys hopefully you guys have heard about what happened with the Note 7. It was having issues of blowing up, and even for a while it was not allowed on airplanes turned on because people were scared that the Note 7 would blow up. And so they had recalled that phone, and then this phone came out and I got this phone, and this works very nicely. The battery is a little bit small for the phone, and that's when I thought this one would be great as well. And the camera is also better on this phone. What else? The graphics I think is better on this phone, but I do not plan to use this as a gaming phone. But with this phone with a pre-order, I also have the opportunity to get a free set of AKG headphones, and that's worth $300. So I need to figure out how to claim that with this pre-order. So let me go ahead and open up this package now. As you guys can see, it is from Amazon. Cheese. So let me open this up. Okay, so I don't need my knife for this one. I got screen protector, which I always put on my phones because I don't want the glass to get scratched. And here is my new case for my new phone, and I decided to go with this color because the teal blue sort of turquoise color I am just starting to really like. And so where's my cover? Right here. So here is my current cover. I have light blue, and I love these kinds of cases because they do slide out. This one's a little bit more difficult, so I can put 2 credit cards, or I put my driver's license and a credit card that I mostly use in here. And so usually I don't need to bring a big wallet with me, and I just use this and my flat Chanel card case, and that's all I really bring out. And I just love these cases. Anyways, it is a shame that I will not be able to see the blue of this phone, because I will have it in its case. And let me just see if it, because usually with these cases they design them before the phone is even released, but it fits perfectly. And yeah, it fits the cameras and that fingerprint scanner, which I actually, like I said, I don't use, so it's not too big of a problem. And yeah, the headphone jack, which this phone still has, thank goodness. And my S Pen is easily accessible. And yeah, I guess that's all I really wanted to show you guys with this phone at the moment. I don't know if you guys will like it, but I thought it'd be cool to try a little bit something different with my channel instead of just always unboxing luxury things. I also wanted to show you guys what else I was interested in. But yeah, so that does it for this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.